Hare Krishna, Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 3, Text 21. Yadyatacharati sreshtas taddhevetaro janah sayat pramanam kurute logasthadanuvardate. Meaning, a leader cannot teach the public to stop smoking if he himself smokes. Lord Chaitanya said that a teacher should behave properly before he begins teachings. One who teaches in that way is called Acharya or the ideal teacher. Therefore, a teacher must follow the principles of Shastra to teach the common man. The teacher cannot manufacture rules against the principles of revealed scriptures. Thus, the leader's teaching should be based on the principles of such standard Shastras. Text 22. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि. Meaning, the Supreme Lord is the controller of all other controllers, and He is the greatest of all the diverse planetary leaders. Everyone is under His control. All entities are delegated with particular power only by the Supreme Lord. They are not supreme themselves. He is also worshipable by all the demigod and is the supreme director of all the directors. Therefore, he is transcendental to all kinds of material leaders and controllers and is worshipable by all. There is no one greater than him, and he is the supreme cause of all causes. Text 23. यदि ह्यहं न वर्तेयं जादुकर्मण्यतन्द्रितः मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वशः. Meaning, although such rules and regulations are for the conditioned souls and not for Lord Krishna, because he descended to establish the principles of religion, he followed the prescribed rules. Otherwise, common men would follow in his footsteps, because he is the greatest authority. From Srimad Bhagavatam, it is understood that Lord Krishna was performing all the religious duties at home and out of home as required of a householder. Text 24. उत्सीदेयुरिमे लोका न कार्यं कर्म चेदहं संकरस्य च कर्तास्याम् उपहन्यामि मा प्रजा. Meaning, we should always consider the position of the Ishwaras or those who can actually control the movements of the sun and the moon as a superior. Without such power, one cannot imitate the Ishwaras who are the super powerful. Lord Shiva drank poison to the extent of swallowing an ocean. But if any common man tries to drink even a fragment of such poison, he will be killed. There are many pseudo-devotees of Lord Krishna who want to indulge in smoking ganja and similar intoxicating drugs, forgetting that by so imitating the acts of Lord Shiva, they are calling death very near. Similarly, there are pseudo-devotees of Lord Krishna who prefer to imitate the Lord in his Rasa Leela or dance of love, forgetting their inability to lift Govardhana hill. It is best, therefore, that one do not try to imitate the powerful, but simply follow their instructions, nor should one try to occupy their post without qualification. There are so many incarnations of God without the power of the Supreme Godhead. Text 25. Sakta karmanya vidvamso yadha kurvanti bharatha kuryam dvidvams tatha saktas chikirshu loka sangraham. Meaning, a person in Krishna consciousness and a person not in Krishna consciousness are differentiated by the different desires. A Krishna conscious person does not do anything which is not conducive to development of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, the Krishna conscious person is required to show the people how to act and how to engage the results of action for the purpose of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.